We're doing a repair, re-welding, re-stubbing this end of the mutator shaft, Dasher-Frahm. Doing this on the emergency rush repair. Repairing this journal back up to OEM specs, rather. Have that OEM sleeve or bushing fit properly with the proper clearances. Thank you.
Perfect.
We are now complete here with this emergency rush job over the weekend for a client that was down out of production. It is now Saturday. We just got through repairing our emergency rush order for our Dasher-Frahm for one of our top ice cream clients out here in the Orange County area. As you've seen, the shaft journals was undersized. We rebuilt the flanges to compensate. And we're now making a delivery. Thank you again for watching. We're here at one of our clients that manufactures ice cream. We're here with Frank, one of the maintenance gentlemen. Frank, how did the work come out so far?
Absolutely, it looks pretty good right here. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it. Everything seemed to be actually, the tolerances and everything seemed to be pretty good.
Fantastic.
So once I put it back on the machine, I think we should be a little satisfied.
Fantastic.
I mean, this is great. And I mean, you guys did it within 24 hours.
That's right.
Or less,
That's right. So far, I'm a man of my word, correct?
Oh, absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
I appreciate you doing business.
Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Thank you again for watching.